Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, you're very much welcome, and if it's not, welcome back. My name is and today is going to be a makeup tutorial. You know, this channel was originally created for makeup oriented content, but you know, we deviated at some point. So this 2022, I'll be giving you guys a mix of my makeup tutorials with every other content I'm going to be creating. So stay plugged in and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, turn on post notifications so you know when next I make an upload. And I love you guys. See you at the end of the video. From the video title, you ought to know what we are going to be achieving today. So bye. So yeah, getting started, I'm taking this micellar water and I'll be using that to cleanse my face because I like this water because it actually moisturizes. Yeah. So oh god, the feel, guys, and the scent. Oh my god, the scent is so nice. Okay. So next now I'm going to moisturize my skin. And I'll be using the Cetaphil moisturizing cream. That's what I use to moisturize my face. And yes, let's do that. I'm just trying to do half of my face so you guys can see the difference when you moisturize and when you don't. So you all just peep the glow. Just peep the glow, like you can see the difference. And the fact that the water I use, the micellar water, it has this moisturizing effect. That's why this place is not looking like so dry, as like it's not looking really dry, but you can see the difference. So let's moisturize this side. And yes, always moisturize your underbags area underneath your eyes. Yeah, it's very essential so your concealer doesn't crease. So this is the effects of moisturizing. It hydrates your skin. It's kind of like, I don't know, you know. Okay, so moving on to the next step. Today I'll be trying a different technique. I recommend you should try it in advance. So I'll be taking my setting powder and I use the Beauty by AD setting powder. This is it. Or just little, not too much. Don't make your face cakey, just, you know, spray. This is my setting spray. So you just have to wait and allow it sitting, dry up. For your next thing, taking my primer. This is a classic mattifying primer. It has to be the best I've used so far because it actually mattifies my face. Next I'll take my foundation. I like this foundation. It's Elegant Makeup. It's in the shade Dark. I actually thought I was going to hate it so much, but I actually like it because it's like a foundation. This is like the first foundation I'm having that I actually don't have to mix it to get my skin tone. It's like my skin tone. You guys should just see. So I'll be blending this side for you guys to see. Today I don't feel like using a brush. I'll be using a sponge. I don't know if you guys can see it, but are you seeing this? Like, I don't know. Can you guys see me? Do you see me? I see me. Do you see me? I don't know, but for real, this has to be the first foundation that I actually like. Do you get, like, I don't have to mix more than one foundation to get my tone. It's just like, we are blending again. So I'm using the Elegant Pro Concealer in the shades Toffee and Fawn. Normally I would have loved to use this Adventure Cosmetic concealer, but it is really quick dry and I don't want to blend my concealer out immediately today. I want to let it sit, and then after I do my contour, before I'll blend it out. But if I try that with that one, whoa, it's like the concealer is really good that it mattifies on your skin, but I don't want that, man. No, it's going to be like I'm blending stone out of my skin. So let's just taking the Toffee for the outer area, and the Fawn is going to be for here, inner corner of my eye. So basically highlighting the rest of my face. So for this, I'll be using a very dark foundation. This is the Lady V Beauty foundation, and this is in the shade V Java. This is what I use to conceal if I don't want to use it, because this is really quick dry. I don't want my face to look cakey in any way, so I'm going to go for this today. So, you know, you contour the sides of your face, just a normal contour thing. And also, this foundation shade is also like my skin shade, but it's like a bit darker, just a bit. So what I'm going to do first is spray my face, and then I'll blend out the contour part first. So now that we're done blending the contour part of the face, I'm going to spray my face again so I can start blending the concealer out. While blending, I'll start with the outer part, you know. So now I'm done blending. As you can see, bro, my skin is giving this dewy, just so nice. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do now is my blush. I used a cream blush. Actually, it's supposed to be a lipstick set. Just pick any shade I want for today. So today I'm going to be picking this shade and this dark shade. I'm just going to. And one of the reasons why I love this cream palette is because it's very easy to blend. It blends into the skin. Let me show you guys. So as I said, very easy to blend, very easy, and that is it. What we're doing next is setting our face, baking it and all that. So getting started, I'm going to first use my powder shade to go over my face. The Beauty Pro Matte powder in the shade Chestnut, black for the wing. This is what the shade looks like. So I'm just going to get my powder brush and I will just go over my whole face first. As you can see, this is my skin tone. That I'm taking my translucent setting powder by Beauty by AD, and I'm using that to set stroke bake my face while I do my brows. I'm going to set the places I contoured using this Elegant Beauty powder palette. I'm setting everything that I've put on my face, you get. I'm going to take just few. So I'm starting with the brows, and I'm taking my Blazon makeup brow pencil and I'm using the mascara one to brush up my brows. Then I'm outlining the brow shape before I start filling it. So the goal I was hoping to achieve with the brows was to make it look as light as possible, not a deep kind of brow, but at least a bit of natural look. And I'll be using this flat brush to contour my brows. So I'm literally kind of done. I'm blending out the excess concealer, and then you can see the brows look like light. They're still giving this natural feel. So I'm moving on to the eyeshadow. I just applied my concealer, Elegant Pro concealer. Then I'm applying that black eyeshadow because today's look is going to be like a dark smoky eye look, and that is why I applied the black before using a brown shade, a dark brown shade, to blend it out. Taking that powder shade, I'll be blending out the edges of the shadow. And as you can see, we are done. I tend to just add a bit of glitter not to make it so dull. I added my mascara, fixing my lashes, and I'm using classic lash glue. Yeah, I'm dusting off the excess powder with the same Elegance powder palette, dusting off the excess powder. So I lined my waterline with a blue liner. This is a Zaron blue liner. Also added mascara to my bottom lash, and then I sprayed my face, to set the whole thing. And then I went in with my glow mist. I really love it because it gives you this pop. And then I just glowed my cheeks up and basically everywhere that I needed to be glowing, literally. And then I added a little shimmer to that area so it won't be so dull black. Now I'm outlining my lip shape with a dark brown pencil. So once I was done outlining the lip shape, I went over it to my Adventure concealer that is in darker shade, and I just added nude to the middle of my lips, just to give me this brown nude kind of vibe. So using a brush, I just blended it out to even out the edges. Yo, for the first time I was so in love with leaving my lips matte. Look at how cute I look. I look so gorgeous. But gloss every day. So I tend to apply gloss over my lips, and this is just it. Literally nothing much, nothing less, and we are done, bro. See beauty. So assuming I was stepping out, I would have used my all-nighter makeup fixer spray to set my face, but no, I'm not stepping out, and I'll be cleaning this in few minutes. So I'll just go over my. Ooh, let's go. Are you ready for me to go dress up? Okay.
Yeah, I look so gorgeous. I'm not even capping. Like, damn, who is this? I be giving some, sugar mommy vibes. I'm just joking. Yeah, thank you for watching today's tutorial. I hope you were able to learn one or two things from this tutorial. In case you want in case you want a particular video done, just leave it down below in the comments, and then I would see to it. And by the way, I look so gorgeous. Thank you all for sticking through. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, share to friends and family, and I'll see you next time. Bye.